What's up guys, Cyber120 here, welcome back to another Tech Tuesday unboxing video. Disclaimer, I am extremely tired. This is a last minute video because I have such a busy schedule and I will not be able to make this unboxing video because this is for my new daily driver. No other than the all new Galaxy S24 Ultra. I would love to use my new phone today. I haven't gotten much tonight. The night prior to today, I'm exhausted. So if I'm slurring my speech, I'm sorry. I really want to make this video, but I'm very tired. I apologize in advance. Little quick backstory on why I got this. I got this device because my mom's birthday is coming up. She has the S21 Ultra, which is about 3 years old now, and I have the S23 Ultra. And I always do the Samsung trade-in. So I say, how about I trade in my mom's old phone for this phone and just give her my old phone? Wait, Taekwon, why won't you give your mom the new phone? Well, I'm glad you asked. My mom is very simplistic. She does not care what type of phone you get her. You can give her a cheap phone. She does not care. She's not materialistic like that, like I am. I just want my mom to have nice things, so that's why I give her the nicest phones whenever I can. It's not brand new. Clearly, it's used. Actually, I'm using it to record the video right now. Yeah. So that's the plan. She doesn't know yet. But yeah, so this is my new phone, and the phone I'm recording with will be her new phone, and I'm trading in the S21 Ultra. But anywho, as you can see by the color, I got the titanium purple, titanium violet, I believe is the name. S24 Ultra. You already know if y'all want to see all the information here. Yeah, I've seen a little demo, like a quick look of it at Best Buy. This is where I got it from. For the first time, my box does not look very nice, but it's okay. It's not about the box, it's about the device. I've heard a lot of people struggling to take their pull tabs off and to take this off. Let's see if I'm lucky. You already know I'm always doing this one-handed. Oh, first one is good. What about the second one? And I spoke too soon. All right. Come on. Gee whiz. All right. Ready? I am. Ooh. It's so cold to the touch. Ooh. Oh, it's in there. Jesus, wait a yo. Wow, it's really in there. Okay, hold on. Jesus Christ, I hope it wasn't because of the box, because that thing was in there, did not want to come out, but here it is. Oh my God. One thing that I've noticed, and I heard, it is now a flat display. I got accustomed over the years of my curved display. I love my curved display, but for the first time since the Galaxy S7, excluding the S7 Edge, it's flat. I like the texture. I really do. I got the purple because I've seen a lot of people doing tech reviews, and they always got the titanium gray, or the pure titanium, whatever the name is. And I'm like, I want to get the purple. And it's so cold. The titanium is very cold. I don't know if it should warm up as the phone, it will when the phone is on, but it's very cold. There's a device, little cutout for the cameras. So this must be, this is actually pretty hefty. I think the cord is in here and all that good jazz. The pen, this SIM ejector tool, pen. Oh, yeah, let's see here. You use, you use the charger cord and all your good stuff here. Now, everyone loves the satisfying sound of taking the screen protector off. You already know I do. Oh yes, since the S21 Ultra, no, the S22 Ultra, I think that was the day I stopped using screen protectors. So on any of my devices up since then, I don't wear screen protectors anymore. So including the current phone I'm using right now, my S22 Ultra, my S23 Ultra, I haven't had screen protector on it. So it's like an actual durability test. Yes, there are some scratches on there, but it's not noticeable for me. So, yeah. But let me be quiet. Let me hush. And let's listen to this. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh man, I only have one device recording. Oh my God, I don't have another device. I'm about to steal my mom's phone and do a side-to-side comparison for my S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra. But before, let's look at the S Pen. It's gray. No, it's just a regular generic looking gray. Nothing crazy. Now, let's see how the startup screen looks. I'm sure it's like all the other ones. Remember this screen, because they ain't gonna look this pretty after I'm done with it. And I could tell, I heard the reflective screen is different. This is a whole different Gorilla Glass. And it's, not as reflective. And you could tell on the camera. You can look at it. It's really not that reflective at all. And I do use my phone outside a lot, so let's see, power it on, holding the power button. That actually took a while. I was holding it for like 7 seconds. It would usually cut on by now, but okay. Oh, powered by Android. Immediately to setup. Yep, immediately to the setup. Y'all already know exactly 50. Y'all already know the routine. I'm gonna set this up real quick. I'm probably gonna start transferring my information later because I'm gonna be here waiting for a long time. I don't got no time for that. I'm ready to go to bed. In the meantime, while I set this up, however way I'll do it, I'm going to steal my mom's phone and show y'all a little comparison before I end the video. Alright, so if y'all see the quality has changed, I'm using my mom S21 Ultra right now. Right off the bat, as you can see, the screen is on, but this phone is locked. And another thing, oh, okay, it is back on. That's good. It has a true always on display now. And I tried to find that setting on my old one. I cannot find the setting. So I wonder if it's only for the S24 Ultra now. Let's go to lock screen. And even change the setting. Always on this. Let me go to settings on my old phone. Let's go to lock screen. Always on display. Yeah. Everything. Oh. Always on display. Always on display. Show lock screen wallpaper. Okay. Uh-oh. I might be wrong. Oh. Yep. Look at there. They did change it. Yep. So this is brand new for the S24 Ultra. Okay, I thought I was tripping because the display was still on. So yeah, so for the S24 Ultra, I'm assuming only, you can see the wallpaper. With the old device, you cannot. So I have show always, but you cannot see your wallpaper. So, and something I noticed with this device, my old one, I'm gonna go to settings. Google Assistant. They had this. It was on demo. Setting up. I hate it. But as you can see, you got the AI now with the new phone. So Google, and then you can bring up all your stuff. With this, it literally came up earlier today. You hold it, and it's like an AI thing. I don't like it. It's not as responsive for me. I'm used to saying, okay, Google, and talking to my Google Assistant. This one does not even work correctly. I don't like it. But if you grow accustomed to it, do your thing. But I don't like it. So, definitely will not have that. Let's see here. But, the aesthetics. I was holding it for a minute, and it feels so good. It feels so good. I love it. Get me wrong, I love this phone too, but it's definitely heavier than this one, and this one is like much more of a firm grip in your hand with the new one compared to the old one, because it's like a slight curve to it. And this is like, completely, it's very minuscule curve with the new one. Let me do a comparison without scratching my screen. As you can see, the curve is exactly the same. Wow. Look at it. The speaker grill on the new one compared to the old one also. Interesting. And the S Pen is flat on the new one, and it's round on the old one. With the antenna lines are about the same. About the other side, antenna lines are the same. Power buttons are the same. What about the top? There's two holes for, I guess, dual microphones compared to the one the old device, and of course the color difference, and with the purple and the titanium colors, it is really nice. The old device is more glossy and slippery on the edges. This one, it ain't going nowhere. Yeah, I like it. That's not right. But yeah, as you can see, it's 11 o'clock. That's not good. But I'm still transferring over all my information, all that good jazz. But first impression, I like it. I have a feeling that I'm going to be using the AI features. So, yeah. But, I just really wanted to do a quick little unboxing and, similarities, in it, or pre-set up, my edge display, that I don't really use. But, and here's the box comparison from the new one and the old one. The new one feels slightly bigger. Yeah, I would say it's slightly bigger. But yeah. Alright, well, I feel my body shutting down on me. I told y'all I was tired. I'm going into this, but I really wanted to make this video for y'all. But y'all already know how it is. But as always, thank you all for watching my videos and supporting my videos, especially for all these years. You already know my videos aren't the best quality for now, but I still try. But if you all like the video, like, comment, subscribe, share, and I will see y'all in the next video. Taiwan 20 out. Peace.